In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a What's New pop-up to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a clean, on-brand pop-up that highlights your latest news, features, or announcements right inside your funnel pages. First, we'll build the pop-up widget. Head over to the What's New pop-up widget on Common Ninja and start customizing it to match your brand and message. Add your latest updates, write clear headlines and short descriptions, and choose visuals or icons that help the content stand out. Take a moment to set the behavior of the pop-up as well. Things like when it appears, how often it shows to the same visitor, and whether it should display on mobile, desktop, or both. Consistent colors and typography go a long way here, so align the styling with your ClickFunnels page for a cohesive look. Keep the copy concise and action-oriented, and include a link or button if you want visitors to learn more. Next, save and grab the embed code. Click Save Changes, then select Add to Website. Copy the generated embed code. It's a small HTML and JavaScript snippet that loads your widget wherever you place it. Treat this code like any other embed. You don't need to edit it. Now, open your ClickFunnels page editor. Go to the funnel step where you want the pop-up to appear and click Edit Page. Choose a page that makes sense for your audience, such as a home page, pricing page, or a key landing page where you commonly announce updates. Inside the editor, add a custom HTML code element. Click Add New Element and pick HTML code or custom HTML JS, depending on what you see in your editor. Placement within the page usually doesn't change how the pop-up behaves since the script handles its own display, but it's a good practice to place it once per page to avoid duplicates. Paste the embed code into that element. Save your changes, then preview the page. Your pop-up should appear according to the settings you configured in Common Ninja, whether that's on load, after a delay, or when the visitor scrolls. If you don't see it right away, check your display rules, try an incognito window to bypass caching, and confirm that only one embed is present on the page. It's also wise to preview on both desktop and mobile to ensure spacing, font sizes, and icons look great everywhere. That's it. You built the widget, copied the embed, placed it in a custom HTML element in ClickFunnels, and previewed the result. With this setup, you can update announcements in Common Ninja anytime, and your ClickFunnels page will automatically reflect the latest news.